Welcome back everyone to this video series on how to design a swimming training course website with Elementor and WooCommerce Tutorial LMS. And this is the third episode of this video series. And if you have not watched the previous episodes, please go to the playlist. You'll see at the end of this video or in the top right corner in the card options. Okay, and here I have created six products, six sample training course products by following the method that I have shown you in the second episode. And I also created corresponding courses in the tutorial LMS. Here I also created six sample courses here. One is free, this one is I have shown you in the first part, and others, the remaining five are paid. Here let me show you one. Okay, here this is it: title, few description, category of the course, few text, feature image, number of students, there is no limit, and the difficulty level of the course, except for the and author. Then this is just you have to select the corresponding product that you have created in the WooCommerce. Okay, and this is course staff, this is a paid, so you have to select paid. If it is free, choose free. Okay, here you have to insert lessons, topics. I have shown you how to do that in the second episode, okay, in the previous episode. And the benefits of this course: why should those customers, those students learn this course, how should they enroll in this course. So point out few points, bullet points here. Requirements: and is there any restrictions, requirements to enroll this course? For example, it should be of 13 years of age or blah blah blah. Okay, and target audience all above 13 years of age. Materials included, what are included in this course. Okay, and video intro, video poster. Okay, and that's it. Just like that, I have created six sample courses. Okay, here, and something that I missed out in my first video, that is in when I created the menus. This one, student registration. Instead of student registration, just simple, just say registration or enroll now, registration or enroll now, whatever. This will be the button. Set menu. Okay, and once again we have blog. We have blog page, so you need to create few blog page contents, blog posts. So let's go to post and let's create sample, few sample posts. Simple post. Sorry. I'll show you how to do that. For in the end, for the follow of other sample posts, you have to create it yourself. Okay, say 5 health benefits of swimming. And Elementor full white, picture image, let's choose this one or one. Okay, choose this one. Then insert Xsurf. If you have, go to Lipsum. Yeah, let's get some Xsurf. Okay, this is the Xsurf. Okay, this is, I mean this for only sample. So for yourself, if you want to make this website live, you have to make real content, not just sample posts. Okay, and categories. Okay, you need to choose category. Wow, there is something here, something wrong here. Then yeah, text, need text, for example, health, swimming tips, etc. Okay, category, isn't there something wrong here? Oh yeah, okay, maybe few glitches. Category, by default you can just leave to basic block category, or you can add category, for example tips. Yeah, this is category tips. Now we have selected tips. Now we can publish it, just like that. You need to create few sample posts. Okay, and I will skip this portion of the video, and I assume that you have created at least 6 sample posts. So now let's go to the front page, and I want to show you something. Here in the courses, this courses web page that we have created, it is automatically populated by the Twitter LMS. Okay, so this is it. So if you are satisfied with this default layout, then you do not need to design this in Elementor or Elementor. So if you want to make changes in this layout or anything that you want to make changes, then you need to design it Elementor. Okay, and by first leave this to the default. Okay, for now, if you want to redesign it to in Elementor, then don't forget to leave in the comment below after watching this episode. Okay, for the color, you do not need to worry about it. We can just go to Tutorial LMS settings. There is option for changing these colors. What we are concerned about is the layout only. Yeah, we need to do that in the Elementor. For colors, yeah, here is style. Here primary color, secondary colors, and like, yeah, few things we can change it here. But yeah, for the overall styling and design and yeah, I think we need to do it in Elementor. Okay, and for the registration part, this is also automatically populated yeah, by the Twitter LMS. Yeah, I have already logged in. If I am not, then it will show say list. Okay, here let me show you. Yeah, just like this, it will display this sign up form. Okay, and yeah, I think we need to design this also, design the layout in Elementor. Let's do that step by step. Okay, Okay, for now let's go back, and we need to start designing the header and all, header, footer, make the changes. For example, this background color, seriously I do not like this background color. So let's change the background color to white. White is the most basic color where we can make any changes in color terms of color. So background, sorry, colors and dark mode, change this to white, publish, and site identity, logo. Yeah, you need to upload the logo before we started designing the header, if you have any image logo. Okay, okay, now go to dashboard. Elementor templates, or Elementor, yeah, templates and theme builder. Yes, add new, select header, this will be our header, create the template. Okay, and